Meet the macaw, the supermodel of the bird world. With feathers in electric blue, fiery red, and sunny yellow, this parrot is basically a flying rainbow. Native to the rainforests of Central and South America, macaws can grow up to a meter long. Half of that is just tail. They're smart enough to mimic your voice, your laugh, or even your phone ringtone, just to mess with you. Special talent? Crushing the hardest nuts with their beak and living up to 70 years. But beware, they're loud, they're cheeky, and they'll steal both your snacks and your spotlight. Macaw, proof that beauty, brains, and attitude can all fit in one set of wings.